went to take a picture of this flower, and there is a dead bee. I don't think he's all the way dead, but he's almost. Makes you a little sad. Well, I'm wondering about these sweet potatoes. I have that one in a pot, so I think it's time to take it out to see what I get. And there's the little rabbit on the other side of the fence. I see him out here every day. This is what I got out of that pot. I think it's time to get these others out of the ground. Hey guys, I'm out in my garden. We have been getting quite a bit of rain. It's been raining almost every day. And I came out yesterday and I harvested some of the potatoes, sweet potatoes, in one of the beds. And I think it's time to get these out because it's getting cold here. Last night I think it was like down 39, and so I think today is the day I'm going to get them out. The day right now it's 52 and the high is only supposed to be 59, and I don't like to come out and work in the cold because my hands get so cold, but today I'm going to get these potatoes out. This is a first for me. You see this little hole here? As I was digging this potato up here, a little mouse ran out. And as you can see, he's been living off of my potatoes. Unbelievable. Well, I got out what I could. I'm gonna have to have Mr. G go through it again, and I'm gonna have to amend this soil because it needs a little aerating. I'm gonna mix some of that wood chips in it and let it sit over the winter, and hopefully it'll be better in the spring. This in the bucket is what I got, and those on the ground there are what the little mouse got. I'm gonna wash them up and show them to you. But I think I only had one plant that I took slips off, so I'm very pleased. They're not as large as I want, and the little mouse ate quite a few of the large ones. But I'm gonna wash them up and let you see. Well, this is my sweet potato harvest. I went on and washed them because a lot of them were broken. Some of them, just pulling them out with my hand, they broke. They break very easy. Even I broke some while I was washing them. But you can see the little mouse had been taking nibbles out of quite a few of them. Now this is what the mouse had eaten up. I see they just eat the inside of them out. I think he thought he was gonna stay there for the winter and have plenty of food. I hope he find another place, but he can't have my potatoes. This is a 40-gallon bucket, and the potatoes filled it. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.